Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's a vlog from a couple of weeks ago, and I'm just doing the intro now. So yeah, this vlog I'm going to be working on the Opossum doll. So that's currently available in my shop, creaturenet.com. And also, what else am I working on? I think it's mainly just the Opossum doll. Maybe a few bits and pieces here. But I do have the video up in my on my YouTube, how I made the Opossum doll, like the whole process of making it. But yeah, it turned out really cute, and probably do another one. I've got some more fur left over for other ones, maybe one with a mouth open or movable doll. We'll see how we go. See how this one moves on. And yeah, I like to make different things, but I've got a couple of things on the go at the moment. So I had the snow leopard commission that I was working on in the last vlog, which I'll probably catch up with you in the next vlog, about the snow leopard and other things that I'm making. But yeah, so this one will be just a quick little vlog about the opossum, how I did some work on that. So stay tuned, and catch you at the end of the video. Welcome back to the end of the vlog. So I finished up the opossum doll in this vlog, and it's, yeah, the video, like I said at the start, there's a video on how I made it, so I'll give you a little look at how it turned out. It's pretty cute, a cute little face. So it's got glass eyes, sculpey head, and cosplay feet, so they're not so fragile. Obviously faux fur. I wanted to go for the sounds like a dragon. I wanted to go for the fluffy type of opossum with like a soft face, so that's basically what I went for here. The tail is like a fake suede, so we almost dropped it, a fake suede, so it's nice little tail. And yeah, so that's a little look at the opossum doll, which is currently up for grabs in my shop, creaturenet.com. And I do offer payment plans, so just shoot me a message if you want to know how they work. And yeah, I tried something different with these eyes. I actually got eyes that had a high dome for rodent dolls, because the other ones that I was using, they're kind of a bit flat and it wasn't really working out for rodent sculptures. They were just too flat, they weren't bulgy enough, so I found some cabochons that had a high dome on them, and they're much better. I don't know if you can tell, but they're much better, more rodent-like, as opposed to it being too flat. So they bulge out of the head a little bit, which is great. Little whiskers and stuff. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this vlog. Yeah, not a lot happened. I just mainly worked on this opossum doll, and yeah, I'll catch up with you in the next couple of vlogs. I have a couple of things coming up as well. I did a little bit of experimenting, and I'll put a post out on TikTok or something, but I had a thought about doing like medieval cats, making them into dolls. So I had a little play around with making a head, and obviously their heads are obscure and not at all look like a cat. So I did a little sculpture, just a test sort of sculpt, and it's really lopsided, eyes are weird, and it just took me like half an hour to sculpt. So yeah, a bit of a strange one. I was thinking of doing it in like an orange white tabby cat, or even just a blue, because medieval cats are weird. So let me know if there's anything, what your thoughts are on the medieval cats. They're a bit weird. I'm not entirely happy with it, so I haven't really progressed with that, but I might do a post out on TikTok and see what the thoughts are. I don't know, probably not. I'll probably just end up scratching it up and making something new with it. But yeah, anyway, I'll leave the vlog there. You can check me out on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, creaturesandthat.com as well. It's where my shop is. Patreon, I've got a couple of things up there as well if you want to check out a little bit more. And yeah, that's it for me, and don't forget to like, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.